Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your artboard in Affinity. So as you can see, I'm in Affinity here. And if I want to ever resize this board or this page, it is super easy to do that. Simply click on Document on the menu here, and you want to go to Setup. Here you want to click on Document Page, and on the right hand side, you will find where it shows your current pages. So as you can see right here, it shows that I have page, and in the drop down it has some presets. So you can click on the preset where it says page preset, and you can go ahead and change whatever you want. So currently that's a laptop version. So let's say I wanted to do something for example, iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can click on that and you will see that it changes, and now you can choose how you want that. So if you want it to be horizontal or vertical, you can go ahead and choose the option that you want, right? So just go ahead and ensure that you set it. You can also change the orientation as well. As you can see, I can make it like that, and you can basically change how you want the layout. So let's say that's what I want. I can go ahead and then click on OK, and you can see that it now changes the size for me. And that's pretty much it. Now you can go ahead and do your design. Very easy and very simple.